How to turn off automatic captions on YouTube. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. Open YouTube, click on your profile at the top right corner of your screen. Then you'll find these options pop up. Scroll down and click on Settings. In Settings, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. On the left side, click on Playback and Performance. In here, scroll down and make sure there is no tick mark and always show caption, and also make sure there's no tick mark and include auto-generated captions, and it will be saved automatically and you're good to go. This is how to turn off automatic captions on YouTube. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.